In this video, I'm going to show you how to watch NFL Sunday Ticket without YouTube TV, so you can catch every out-of-market Sunday game on your own terms. First, let's talk about NFL Plus Premium. While it doesn't give you every out-of-market game, it's a cheaper alternative if you mainly want replays, condensed games, and red zone. For around $14.99 per month, you can stream on your phone, tablet, or computer. Next, there's the student plan. If you're a student, you can get NFL Sunday Ticket for $119 per year through YouTube's student offer. But you can also pair it with NFL Plus Premium if you want replays and red zone without needing a full YouTube TV subscription. Another option is direct deals through providers. In some cases, cable alternatives or satellite providers like DirecTV still offer NFL Sunday Ticket as a standalone subscription. This works if you don't want to use YouTube TV at all. Finally, keep in mind you can always watch local and nationally televised games using an HD antenna or streaming services like Paramount Plus, Peacock, or Amazon Prime Video for Thursday, Sunday, and Monday matchups. This covers a lot of games even without YouTube TV. So, to sum it up, if you don't want YouTube TV, your best options are NFL Plus Premium, the student plan, or select provider subscriptions, combined with streaming or antenna coverage for local games. If this video helped you, hit like and subscribe for more tips on watching NFL games without overpaying.